Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to play or watch Telegram videos on iPhone. So you received a video on your Telegram chat or conversation, and now you want to play or save the video. To do that, you don't need to install any third-party app to play Telegram videos on your iPhone. So all you have to need, go ahead and launch your Telegram app and go to the chat. And now just open the video and tap on this three dot and just tap on save video. And the video will be saved in your iPhone Photos app. Now go to your Photos app and here you will see the video you just downloaded from Telegram. So now from here you can easily play the Telegram video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.